How can you cancel your YouTube Premium on Android or iOS device? Canceling your YouTube Premium depends on whether you are billed directly by Google or YouTube or through the Apple Store. So what you want to do is, if you're using an Android device, just simply open the YouTube app onto your device. Here you go. After you go to the YouTube app, you then need to tap onto the profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do this, you want to tap the settings at the very top right. There you have billing and payments, right? You want to open that up. Once you go to billing and payment, or you could also go to purchase and membership actually. And this is where you will be able to find your active subscription. So if you want to cancel it, you just want to tap onto your active YouTube Premium membership and simply want to go ahead and select deactivate. At the very first instance, you might be asked to give a reason as well. So if you're sure about it, you just want to make sure to select one of the reasons and verify your identity. And that is how you will be able to cancel your subscription on YouTube. And likewise, for the iOS device, what you need is you have to open the devices settings. So basically you have to go to settings. There you want to tap onto your name or your Apple ID at the very top of the settings page. And you could find subscription section and you could go ahead and select YouTube Premium and then simply go ahead and cancel subscription. Now that was for an iOS device. And if you have done it through your Google Play, then you want to go to the Google Play app on your device or the Play Store app actually. And you want to open the profile at the very top right. There you have payment and subscription. Once again, go to subscription section, and this is where you will be able to find the subscription that you've made. So simply want to go ahead and cancel it, and that's the simplest thing you could do it. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.